Good morning, Joel. How we doing? Oy, 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 oy. Ugh. Early stream? Yeah, I didn't really sleep, so I've been on for a while, or I've just been up for a while, so I figured I might as well start it before, just while I'm setting everything up, anyways. Mm, Based on my chart, I don't know. I'm thinking we could go higher. My weekend? What did I do this weekend, Joel? What did I do? Did I do anything?
No. It says we went on Saturday night.
Did I do anything Friday night? I feel like I did something Friday night.
I think you went over Sarah's.
Yeah, maybe I just hung out with a lady on Friday. Saturday night, me, Johnny, and two of our other buddies just went out to get something to eat, and then we played pool. What about yourself? Anything crazy? Did you
I do
buy
that
your
though, and I
dream car?
realize why everyone's poor though.
Because you go out
Because
and
they're all like
spend stupid amounts of money for nothing, just like getting a couple drinks and
getting a couple drinks and playing pool. Both bills were $140 a piece,
yeah. I
and
think
that's
it's
not
only
even
four of us.
including. That's not even including the bowling.
We didn't bowl
Bowl. I keep saying bowling. I say pool. So it was like the whole night was like $380.
for four of us, and or I was gonna say I didn't eat, but it was still
You ate at the.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was like, well, I didn't eat there, but I did eat somewhere,
Well, it's
so
like
I
it's
guess it's
really
kind of the same.
drinks. Like Matt got a shit ton of drinks. So,
Yeah, I mean, what's the
and
what?
so
I
did
think I got.
RJ.
I think I got five Stellas or something like that, or like two at Tony C's and like three or whatever it was at King's. Like it does add up quickly. You're spending what 6 to 10 bucks on a drink, depending on what it is, maybe. It's
That's
like
why like my
that's like
like
50 bucks right there. Nothing crazy. Just went to the beach. The beach. Where do you live?
like I got one drink, got food, and played pool, and it's still like that's like pretty much a bare minimum, and it's still gonna cost me $65. It's like
Yeah, but it also makes sense that people do. If you're content, like, if I was content being an electrician, I'd spend every dollar I ever made.
yeah,
Like, if I was like, oh, well, my 401k and my pension's going to carry me to retirement anyway, so I don't have to worry about saving. So all the money that I do get, that I, like, don't have to pay, like, anything that's left over after bills, I understand why people go out, because there's nothing else to do. It's like, we just sit at home. Yeah, I think we could go up at open here. Or, I don't know about open, but on the day, I think we could go up.
I feel like we're starting to see some normal volume again.
I don't know. VIX is pretty high. VIX is like the same as it was before Friday.
Yeah, I mean that the whole opening candle was only like 20 points, not even.
Well,
Oh wait,
I mean the market's
no,
not
I'm looking
open.
at the wrong candle. Sorry, it's not even opening yet. I thought that was open. My bad.
Oh man, I gotta do an Amazon cash secured put at open here. So we gonna see how that
Jeez,
goes.
I don't know why. I don't know what I was looking at. I thought it was 9:37.
Nope. Going to the beach. I don't know. I feel like the beach isn't overrated, but it's just like a 1 day thing. I don't know if people go to the beach for multiple days in a row. And we're flushing lower here before open. What's crypto doing these days? Yeah, Bitcoin's fucking on a 94. 90, like 93.
It's dumping.
It's dumping. Oh, it actually hit low 93s last night.
Here is Brazil beach.
Here's
It's like a vacation.
I gotcha.
You in Brazil or are you?
I think he is. I'm pretty sure I remember him saying he was. I just always forget. If we don't have beach at least 4 times a week, we can't survive. Bro, what? The beach is just
Four
meh.
times a week, dude?
That's why they're all so fucking brown, dude.
Guess so. I fucking hate the beach.
Well, yeah, you're also ghostly white.
Yeah, but this is fucking nothing to do with the beach.
There's nothing to do anyway, Johnny. Brazilian beaches are beautiful, though. I thought you could only go on Brazilian beaches if you were Brazilian. Otherwise, you just get fucking murdered. Like, isn't that normally the case? It's like if you step off the fucking, you step off the boat in the boat, the plane or whatever, and you're not like, or if you step off the resort, you just get instantly fucking murdered if you're a stupid American. Or am I making that up? I think that's Colombia. I just think that's everywhere that's not fucking North America.
Hey, North America can get kind of fucking crazy, dude. Have you ever been to Hampton at night?
Brother, shut the fuck up.
Dude, I've literally been to like, I've driven to Hampton, I think 2 times at night. Like, me actually the one who drove. One time, a person OD'd behind my car, and then I couldn't leave because the cop was dealing with her. And the other time, I got pulled over for an hour because I drove on a white line.
Yeah, you gotta look out for those white lines.
And he thought I was hammered.
I'm just an average, everyday, normal motherfucker. You don't need to be Brazilian to go to the beach. I thought if you literally stepped off the resort, they just murder you. We also love barbecue. Yeah, you guys love poor people activities, the beach and barbecues. I feel like every country's just poor, and then they like doing poor people stuff, which I wish I did. I was talking about this over the weekend. Capitalism, I'm a big fan of capitalism, but it has gone too far. We need like a reset. That's a good part about socialism. Everybody just stays poor forever, so at least you have like the dream. But when it's capitalism, you just advance too far, and then everybody becomes useless, and then it's not worth it to do anything because everything's already like fucking. What do you call it? Everything's just like already peak. Like you can't improve. Everything's already so optimized that everything feels like a burden because you're like, why would I do that when I could just do it from here? That's my take. Well, I know some people we're going to take these inverse fair value gaps that open here. Sweep the lows and then go higher. No, it's coming. There's your 3-minute gap. We're going to close. Or maybe we'll do the 1 minute. People are going to enter on these and we're going to rip higher. Just an average. How'd you guys do trading last week? I feel like I wasn't around for most of the week. I feel like I only streamed like one day or something. 2 days. Just an average, everyday, normal motherfucker. Oh, how we doing, ES? Doing great, man. How about you guys? Doing all right. Just talking about how capitalism has already peaked and now everything's over, but we're doing good. Oh, AJ, I'm surprised you're on, considering you were out with the hose last night till late. Damn, I missed the daily Doom talk. It's just a quick one. I was just talking about how capitalism, we've already peaked. I'm a big fan of capitalism, but we've gone too far now. We just need the reset. We need the meteor, or like the ice age to happen so we can restart again. Because we completed the game, and now there's like 5 big conglomerate companies, and then that's it. Which is the way it should be, but then you just advance too far, and then nobody can do anything. You're long. Oh, gold. Oh, 79. Good luck. Already up fucking 20 points. What a beast. I didn't sleep. Me either, AJ. Me either, but not because I was fucking like you. I know you must have been hanging out with some bimbo last night.
Bimbo.
What?
That's the bimbo.
Dude, AJ takes testosterone and then he just turns into a fucking horn dog. I'm just an average, everyday, normal motherfucker. Was it? Am I right, AJ? There's no way, you were just out hanging out last night? Yeah, fucking right. Just hanging out with some fucking dumb chick.
What do you just straight simping to these girls?
AJ fucking pops testosterone and then just has to put up with women's shit. He like talks to 4 bitches and then he's like, oh, they're so annoying. TP hit. Attaboy, Joel. What a good way to start the Monday. That's it. It's over. Clock out. You're done. Back to the beach for you. Good shit. Maybe, yeah. Exactly. Guy's fucking simping like a motherfucker. I gotta make 110 points this week, and I can get a payout. Can we do it? That's not even 30 points a day. It's like what, 22 points a day? Yeah, 22 points a day. My email is too far for a trade. Yeah, I'm also going to be more selective. Because I was just looking back on the last couple of days, like the 2 days that I lost, I'm like, I think if I was just more selective, I would have won. I need 40 points to have the request button again. Woo, baby. Just an average, everyday, normal motherfucker. Damn, we ripping. SMCI hurt my soul right now. If I make I lost 10 points last week in total. So realistically, if I could be up 20 points at the end of the week, I'll be happy. Because at least it'll be progress. But I mean, 2 weeks ago I made 50 points. So if I could do something like that again, that would be. I need at least a payout before the end of the year. Another one. What about 110 points? That's 55 points 2 weeks in a row. Semi-possible, but it's really hard. I broke my Monday curse last week. I was losing every Monday for months straight. Yeah, not the best way to. It's so nice to start the week or like start the week off on a win. Like it sucks when you take a trade on Monday. Losing on Monday and Friday are the worst. The days in between that don't really matter. But Monday, it's like great. Now I gotta make back what I lost to like tomorrow, and then hopefully on Wednesday I can start to have like a green week or whatever. Or depending on how you trade, you could make it all back and then more the next day. But I feel like that's how it usually goes. It's like great, I lost this much today, now I gotta make it back tomorrow, and then hopefully I do make it back tomorrow, and then I gotta win the trade on Wednesday too. And then Friday, it's like, oh, I shouldn't have even fucking traded on Friday. I should have just left, and then I would have fought. Like that was me. I lost 30 points on Friday. I'm like, well, I was up 20 points on the week, and then I end down 10 points on the week. I must always win on Fridays for some reason, but I agree starting the week with the loser sucks, yeah. Yeah, I mean, winning on Fridays is a nice way to go into the weekend. It doesn't make you question your life the entire weekend. Man, this shit never gonna work. I'm just an average, everyday, normal motherfucker. Well, we got some highs here at the 240s and 360s. We're at the VWAP now, fucking doing nothing.
Straight pump.
Yep, I know some people took that inverse gap, and I'm gonna have to see about it. Like, oh, it's so easy. All you have to do is wait for a sweep of the low and then have targets for North London highs. We're gonna go fucking straight to it. Like, okay, you take the here. I don't know where your stop goes. That's the thing. Below this, maybe 40-point stop. TP 177 points. That sounds like a kid laugh. I mean, a kid cough right there.
I'm dying.
Can we go down first, please? I'd like a little pullback. I'm just an average everyday. Oh, good morning, Flag Poppy. How we doing? What's going on, Elton? Just a little bit, not too much. Is anybody close to some payouts besides AJ? I'm curious. How you doing, Flag? Are you close or no? Or yes? Or Elton? Or anybody? Oh, I'm doing marvelous, depending on how this trade goes. If it goes terribly, I'm going to be suicidal per usual, but we'll see. I'm kind of close, yeah, really. Good. It gives me, I just got out of drawdown, so now like $500 profit. I'm in the same boat as you, Flag. I've had the accounts for like fucking 45 days and I'm like fucking break even. It's pure misery. How close are you, ES? What do you need? How many points would you say? I just like to hear that other people are getting payouts, or at least close, because it makes me feel like it's possible. You know what I mean? Because when I'm losing, I'm like, dude, does anybody even actually fucking make money with any of this bullshit? Like, I don't believe it. And it's all fugazi. Even, even though I've taken out a decent amount of money, but it's still, if it's not happening directly on that day, then it's just bullshit. I'm sitting at 53K, but I need more trading days. Oh my god, dude, you made 3K in less than 8 days? What a fucking baller. All McDonald had some fun. AIAIO. What the fuck are you talking about? It's old McDonald. What the fuck are you talking about? Was this the wife you were hanging out with, AJ, or just some skank? Or was it your skank wife? Today's gonna be the day you get a payout, Elton. That'd be good. An insane flow state. Yeah, I guess so. It's big ballin'. We're right at this 15-minute EMA here. Made 2.5K in a day. Oh, so your consistency rule is fucked, too. Are you on Apex? So what is that, 30%? What do you have to make if you made 2.5K in a day? Like 8 grand? Is that right? Or am I dumb? My Funded Futures. Oh, okay. What is it? 40%? Or is there not one? I don't even know anymore. What? Dude, I lost my fucking affiliate with My Funded Futures, I think.
Why?
I don't know. I think if people just don't use it, they're like, alright, never mind. I'm gonna go game.
It's weird. I don't know what it would change, but
I don't know. There is no consistency roll. Oh, that's good.
only on the evals.
Yeah, Elton. Alright, I'll get you right. I gotta get my wallet from my car so I can load it into my PayPal because I never did, but. Live starting at the morning with some moolah. What did you take? Did you take this inverse down here or did you grab along all the way up here somewhere? Yeah, nigga, I'm not using your code. Go cry in the corner. Dude, I don't care if you use it. How does affiliate stuff work? Like, it's just if someone uses, like, you can apply for a code, and then if someone uses the code to get, like, the discount for the prop, then they get, like, a percentage of it. Whoever's code you typed in. Right after the 9:32 close. Oh, it's almost like I said that, didn't I? I don't know if you were in here, Tekis, but I literally said, oh, watch this inverse gap. People are going to get in, and they're going to ride it up to these fucking highs. What was your stop 40 points? Like, did you have it below this gap? But the gap, like, starts from all the way fucking down here, so I don't know how it works. Or did you just, like, that was the only thing. I didn't know where your stop would be, but... Yeah, we're just gonna rip right to it. There's your fucking 170 point inverse for value gap. I'm gonna have to see Diego fucking make a bunch of money today. Well, I didn't make anything. Feels bad. I'm gonna kill myself.
I don't remember yet. It's 9:47.
No, I know. That's just like I don't know. Is there anything more to it? It's like, okay, I have my bias. We start, we sweep the low, we make a fair value gap. We have all these targets up here that haven't been hit yet, and then you just fucking, I don't know. Seems easy, but I know all trading's like technically the strategy part's easy, but I don't know. Yeah, I got in there. Yeah, you did 12. Yeah. I take the 3-minute inverse on ES. I was looking at the 3-minute on this. I was like, oh, 3-minute inverse, right? Because that's not a wick. Oh, shit. Yeah, but you took it on ES. Yeah, same thing. You still have you still have further to go if you're going for the 779s. My stop is bottom of that candle I entered on. Oh, damn. So you had a... What did you go in with? What was your size if you're risking 60 points? Shit, scary sweep. It's that simple. Yeah. That's it. Like, I believe it can be that simple, but I don't know. I just don't trade it. But I do see it play out a lot. You did one mini. So you were risking $1,200 on that one trade? Good God. I didn't take those longs, no. I watch this trader on the side and he enters trades based on his key levels and levels of interest. Dude is absolutely legit. What does he deem as key levels off of? Like whole numbers, 25,000? Yes? Jesus Christ. Are you on a 50K account? Or are you trading a cash account? I don't remember. Here we go. We're about to hit it. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to fucking watch. I'm gonna have to watch a video of fucking Diego making 177 points. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh.
You like see sit-ups that other people take, and you're like, I'm gonna kill. I was like,
I am.
I don't know why you care.
Because I'm broke and Diego sucks at trading, but he's gonna make more money than me. Can a nigga get a trade? Dude, I feel you. Like, can we get a bigger pullback, please? Just get back to this EMA.
Please, I beg.
Both I got 450Ks, 150K than my cash account. You copy trade the cash account with the evals or no? I thought with the PAs. I've thought about doing it. I haven't, but I saw like some dude did it before. He would like copy trade his cash account too. I don't know if he risked the same, but don't know how he does it to be honest. I got you. I've seen people using daily open and true day open as key levels. What does true day open even mean? I actually don't like what daily open would be like. What 6 o'clock, like when the market opens, and then just wait for the 15-minute pullback. Yeah, don't worry, Girth Lord. We'll come at 9. The fuck are you talking about? Yeah, I do same exact trades. Not all. I got you. True day is 12 a.m. Open is 6 p.m. I got you. 6 p.m. is your favorite key level. Is that what was that? This? I think that's this dotted line. It was 21 or 25,095s. Oh my god, dude! He literally ripped an 177-point trade with 0 drawdown and friggin' 3 red candles. Oh my god! Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know he did. If he had any discipline, because that's his strategy. I know his strategy is that 100%.
I'm telling you, he's gonna come in and say you lost.
No, there's no way. There's no way. That's like the most easy trade ever. I should have taken that on my cash account. God, you literally cough like Jordan, I swear. I can tell you're not covering your mouth. Just.
I am coughing my mouth.
Yeah, right.
With my sweatshirt.
That's the fuck. 12's telling you to install fucking viruses on your computer. How FOMO and greed made me blow the accounts. Yeah, right, Spencer. Oh, what? That's gonna be Diego's title. You mean, or is that gonna be my title? It's not even. It's not even possible. That's the only thing that I have that I know is great. Like Diego can't trust himself, or like a lot of people just can't trust themselves. I know I'm never gonna blow more money than I want to, or I know I'm never gonna size up to like I see him and he like gets in and all of a sudden he's trading 2 micros and then he sizes up to 20 when he gets angry. It's like, dude, I just sit at 1 mini regardless. I don't give a fuck. Like, and then I lose $600 and even if I see the most bread and butter trade ever, I'm like, well, I can't take it, and it's just like ingrained in my brain.
Where he literally sits there, he's like, guys, I should
I
just quit
know,
here.
yeah, I know.
I
Should.
know
It'd be
I
a
should
good
just
day.
quit
Yeah, it'd
here.
be a good day
And
if
then
I
he
stop
sizes
here.
up and then takes another trade and then he makes all his money back that he lost. He's like, I'm not happy with today.
Yeah, and
I'm
I'm
telling
like,
you
dude,
guys,
this
I'm
guy.
not
I'm like, how
happy.
many times is he gonna get bailed while I sit here and listen to myself, but don't fucking get rewarded from it?
It's like, I know I shouldn't have taken that trade. I'm happy I made my money back, but I
Yeah.
know I shouldn't have taken it. It's like as you're saying you should stop trading, you're literally live adding more size and taking another trade. It doesn't make any sense to me.
But a lot of people go through that. I just don't know how. It doesn't make sense, but people do. We making jokes, but he has a good story about getting into trading. Not gonna lie, didn't he just like see his dad trading or whatever? Wasn't that the case? He saw his dad make money and then he wanted to, or is it something else?
Like, who fucking cares about this
Dude,
story?
what AJ is this fucking tech support, dude? I mean, what are we talking about here? Like, what? Good lord, get some Indian on the phone. Where's Priv when you need him? What not to do, guys? Let's just focus on ourselves. Alrighty, yes. What are you, the peacemaker? Just get to go back in size and heavier. Yeah, literally, I'm like down on the day, and I'm like, I don't even want to touch the charts.
You take a trade?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
You said you're down on the day.
No, I said if I'm down on the day, because AJ said I'm too
Oh.
scared to go back in and size in heavier, and like that's the same. Like I'm down $600 on the day, and I'm like, dude, get me away from these charts. Market's stupid, anyways. Yeah, but that annoying dude in the friend group. Yeah, everybody just relax, dude. Let's what's the saying?
Everyone just be happy and have a good time.
Let cooler heads prevail, man. We're all just having a good time here. Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to make money.
Worst type of people.
We got Mahatma Gandhi in the chat. Is that Gandhi's first name? I thought Gandhi was just kind of like Prince. That was just his name. He just had like a one-namer.
His name was just Gandhi.
Although I'm just saying his videos show it's not easy and you can stunt progress by revenge trading and doing what he does. Yeah, that's for sure. Johnny, what you mean worst type of people, bro? Uh-oh, you offended ES. Don't do your boy like that.
You're the worst type of people that are like, don't make
Yeah,
fun
or
of
like
him,
when
you're
you're getting in
being
like an
mean.
argument, or like you're just having like a heated debate, and people are like, guys, relax. It's like, dude, no, I'm having like the problem is people get too. Me and Johnny talk about this too. Of like people get too, especially women. Like you start debating about like abortion or anything, and they get too emotional. They get like too into it, and like I'll debate with my whole heart, but I like anything that you say during the debate, I don't like walk away like that person's a piece of shit. But a lot of people do that. Like they take everything to heart, and even if you like try to joke during it because it's still like you're just chitting shit with your friends, they still like will get upset. I want to see him make a lot out of trading and not get bailed out from prop firm codes. I know that's the crazy part. It's like, dude, he said he made like fucking 7 or 8K from prop payouts last month, and I'm like, oh god. And then he's just talking about how he wants to be like an influencer or whatever. He's like, or I'm making my dream happen and stuff. I'm like, oh, it's just the way you want to do it. AJ, we're getting that pullback. Getting close to that EMA here. This seems like a good spot to get in, but I'm gonna wait till we get above this candle. Bouncing off the EMA, bouncing off the 15-minute opening range.
I like this.
If we get above like these, what, 26s here, this candle, not the wick, but as soon as we push the candle, I might give it a stab. Yeah, same thing. Oh shit. Looking decent. See what happens. See if we can get this push up here. Maybe I'll start entering above that wick now from that candle before. What is that, like the 220s? If we can get a pop up. ES staying above it. Nvidia trying to get back above that EMA. Starting to get that push. Get above this 220 area. Not yet. Struggling here a little bit. It's trying to trap us.
No, that trapped me.
Nvidia rejected off that EMA. Same thing. We're holding at this EMA pretty well here. If we can get to that 220 area. Again, Nvidia rejecting it. ES still above that EMA. And I'm trying to get a pullback here. Pulling back to that 2-minute, maybe by the VWAP here. I don't know, I still think if we get above those 220s, we're looking pretty good. Nvidia back above the EMA. ES still above that 15-minute opening range. Just waiting here. Almost back down to that VWAP. Maybe we could pull back to like the 150s before we go higher. I don't know.
I'm hating this high volume, honestly. I literally bought it and I just instantly was fucking lost.
Yeah. Stop screaming, you're scaring me. Talk to him about abortion and you won't hear the peace of quietness for a week. Play your Fibonacci plus pause. Little 15-minute pullback. Internal SMT. I don't really know what that means, or I kind of do, but yeah, in entering that, it broke the EMA on my screen. I entered and exited early. I'm up $50. Terrible. That's what's key. We pull into the 15-minute gap.
That pissed me off.
Yeah, we're right at. We might be sweeping these right here, bouncing off this 15-minute EMA to continue higher. Trapping these guys out here. I still think we're gonna go up, but we'll see. Down to like this 5-minute EMA here. No. I'll have to hold off. Bigger pullback than I wanted here. You want us to flush from here? What, flush down? If we dump from here, that's crazy. You very well could, but I don't know. I'm expecting us to continue higher, but alright, take care, Flag Poppy. Like even just entering along here. No. I gotta wait. It's because we're in a downtrend overall high time frame. I mean, relatively. I'd say like 4 hour, but I mean daily it looks like on the daily we just trapped and we're gonna at least come back up to like the friggin' 740s, but we'll see. Getting right back above this, I would be like, this is the problem. If I was in a cash account and didn't care about my stop, I'd just get in long now. And just be like, alright, stop at like the fucking low and then just try to ride the bitch higher. Because I do feel like we go higher here, but we'll see. Quite deep for retracement. Yeah, that's like 50%, no? Yeah, that's right about 50%.
I'm never gonna try to buy EMA bounces again. I gotta wait to see some more move.
Yeah, I was waiting for it to break above. Like, I wanted to bounce off the EMA and then, like, break above.
Just like, oh, bear flag, buy it on the EMA, then just instantly lose, and I'm like, okay, cool.
But, I mean, if you bought it right on the EMA the first time, but the second time it bounced off of it,
Yep.
you would have.
I mean, I was up like 8 points, and then it just flipped.
Yeah. Man. See if we can get back above like these 180s here, back above that EMA. I don't really feel like shorting. Do I trade full time? Technically, yeah. I mean, it's the only source of income I have, so I would say so. Right back to the middle of this 15-minute opening range here. And technically, I've been full-time trading for 2 years, but it didn't mean I made any money for most of it. Wow, we're just gonna flush lower here. Did you take anything ES or no? See, this is where I have to adapt here because even though I thought we were going to go longer, everything on every chart is showing bearish. So if I were to get a pull back to that EMA and then a rejection off and a break of the candle lower, then I would be interested in a short, depending on how far we pull back here. We got the 5-minute EMA at the 113s, 15-minute EMA at the 145s. So I'm going to get a little bit of that pullback now. Yeah, about 400 GG's. Seems like everyone's origin story is pretty similar. What is the origin story? I feel like mine's relatively different. I don't hear many people who worked like full time for multiple years at like a normal career before going. I feel like most things I hear are like just like kids who like come out of college or trade in college or didn't go to college and wanted to do something like or dropped out of college. Like, you're up 400. I mean, I'm up 1.2K. What? Like on 3 accounts or whatever. All right, getting a pullback to this EMA here. This is the problem here. I mean, 15-minute, we're below the EMA. We're still below the VWAP. 5-minute, trying to stay below the EMA. 3-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute. See what happens here. What do we think? We think we go higher or we think we continue lower? It just took that long. Oh, shit. Nice. Still below the 15, barely above the 5. It's like, do I want to short right now? No. So I think if we get below this, I might short. See if we're going to hold this EMA or if we're going to flip back through it and try to go higher. Lower, I don't like the idea of high. I like the idea of higher, but the chart's just showing me lower. I don't even predict anymore, I just react. You know, that is the way to be. Yes. That's the cheat code right there. Trying to predict, all it does is get you fucking hard stuck in a bias and regretting your decisions afterwards when you see the hindsight of the chart and being like, oh my god, dude, we were so fucking obviously short, but I was so long biased. If we break this fucking wick here, I'm probably getting in.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Wow. Oh, I enter and then it literally instantly snaps back. Fuck me.
Isn't it sick?
Well, it didn't break the low, but I was like, we're getting down there. We're just going to break the low and go. So I figured I might as well enter. See if I would have waited. If we break the fucking the low, I'm getting in. So, or I'm re-getting in, but. And then we'll see if I should have just fucking waited the first time, or if maybe I double lose and then I fucking kill myself, but we'll see.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
And I sniped the bottom twice.
It's like you're right and you're wrong. It's fucking terrible.
Ugh, boy, oh boy. Oh, it's all risk. It's literally all risk. I don't know how to control a risk. I can stay out of trades when I should. Hence here. I can get into trades when I should. Hence here. I just don't know how to manage my risk. Oh, it's just... trying to think. Because I'm not wrong. I thought it was going to go down. I tried here, and now we're here after never going back above this high. It's almost like... remember when I would put my stops at the high and take profits at the bottom during that strategy, and then I made 60K, but then I changed it because it didn't work for 2 months, but then we got right back afterwards as soon as you switch? It's so cool. Yep, and flush the lows. Oh, it's... You Just like that, 2 days down 60 points. And the gap gets bigger. Now I only need to make 140 points to get a payout. Oh, yeah. I fucking hate this shit. I hate it. I hate trading. This shit's so bad. What did I do wrong? It's just my risk. I don't know how to manage risk. I can't.
It's just like
I actually think I'm switching to micros. I think I'm switching to micros so I can still take multiple trades a day. And I'm putting my stops at the high. Because I sit there, I take the trade when I should. If I just do stops at the high for fucking 35 points. But I trade fucking 3 micros. Even though I always say I hate trading micros, but I genuinely don't think I can trade minis, have a big stop as I want, trade multiple times a day. It's like I wasn't wrong in the slightest. Either time. It's like I shorted twice on candles that never broke the previous high and I lost. It's like I shorted here after we had already made that high. I lose here. Never even broke that high. I shorted this candle. Never even breaks the previous high. I lose. I genuinely think I'm switching to micros. I'm not scared because I trust. I know how the market is going to move. Or I don't know, obviously, but I know I can react enough, and I'm not emotional enough. It's literally risk. Managing risk is so fucking hard. And I just flip-flop back and forth, and then just get railed both ways. Because as soon as you stop doing one thing, the old thing that you're doing starts working. Like, it's literally the case. It happens every time. It's like we're in shop for fucking 2 months. I sit there and try to trade the same strategy, get fucking burnt the entire time. As soon as I switch, it just goes back to actually moving. It's like on a normal day, if I want to enter this, it's like, okay, I short here, stop at the high, take profit at the low. It's like what I entered here on the first one. It's like, okay, I enter here, stops at the high, take profit at these lows. Oh. And you collect 56 points and you get on with your day. Like, here we go. Probably gonna see some sort of short here. What is 2 micros? 2 micros is what? $1 a tick? Is that how it goes? Right, because it's 50 cents a tick for one, because it's $5.
You want to cut down what you're trying to make a fifth?
No, I might a third though. I'd rather make $200 every single day than fucking lose $600 some days and make $600 some days. Because it's just the same bullshit. I do the same bullshit every day. I pick the right direction, get wicked out, and it goes. It happened fucking here. I tried to long this twice. I got chopped up on my 15 points. This was my Friday's trade. I tried like 2 of these. Never broke a candle low. I mean, sure, here I guess it did. But it's like if you had your stops initially at the bottom, never broke the low. It's.
It would be like 5 minis or 5 micros. Would that have hit you if you double your size?
So what? I do 30 point, or it depends on where you get in. Or what? Well, I probably would have got. I think I got in like at the break of high of this candle. So yeah, it would have been fine because I never got below it.
Yeah, but then you're switching back up to 30 points. Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, well, because I don't know. I don't know what to do. I just switch on back and forth and lose everything I do because you're supposed to stick with one thing and I don't. It's just pain. It's just the problem is it's the same bullshit. I've been doing the same bullshit forever. I'm like, oh, I'm running direction and wrong with fucking stop loss. The only time I wasn't doing that was literally the past 2 months when it was chopping. And you just couldn't be right on direction because we didn't go anywhere, and then you just got chopped up.
Oh, not a good time for Sly Cooper to come in.
Fuck you, Sly Cooper. You know, just a typical midlife crisis. You know how it goes. Can you see where I lost twice on shorts? Can you see it, Sly Cooper? Doing better for that. Better from that video a month or 2 ago. No, what was the video I posted a month or 2 ago? Was it me getting schlonged by the market? Because it's still happening. Was it worst losing streak in my 2+ years of trading 2 months ago? Yeah. No, I mean, that about fucking sums it up. Oh, man. Fucking kill myself. I'm gonna kill myself. Great game, Sly Cooper, though. It's a great game. I really enjoy it. Maybe I'll just stream Sly Cooper.
I'm becoming a fucking video game streamer.
Dude, trading's so gay. At least we got 75k payouts, but you can't even see that. Yeah, great. And I've lost all my talents, like Cooper. It was all fucking fluke. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh, it's so Jover, dude. I think... Like, if I trade... Do these all copy if I just fucking... Oh my god, I'm literally gonna go to fucking micros, dude. I'm literally a virgin. I fucking hate micros. Look at my chart doesn't even accept me doing micros because it just goes straight fucking black. Oh my god. Oh man. Ugh. I don't even know what you still gotta do. I don't have shit. Oh, man.
Why is it always like it's going shit, you change something, it works for like a week, you're like, this is it. I figured it out. I'm on a streak. And then instantly it's just like back to shitting down your throat. And you're like, okay.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything. Going to micros is always so demoralizing. Dude, I've never traded micros before. Ever. I've traded one mini since the beginning of time.
Yeah, I've never traded a micro.
But I genuinely don't know what to do. Because it's just a daily occurrence. It's literally a daily occurrence. You sit there and you go, well, I was right. And then you just hope it hits your take profit before it fucking bounces back and hits your stop loss. It's the same bullshit. It happened today. Let's see. Let's go over my fucking week of trading. Like, how often am I actually wrong and then it, like, takes out the swing? I mean, obviously, sometimes it, like, fucking double purges you and shit like that, but... Let's see. So, Friday, my 2 trades were 2 longs here that never broke the fucking... That never broke the low. Surprise, surprise. I didn't lose Thursday. I lost 1 trade on Wednesday. I don't know which one it was. It was just spamming. Even just looking at it, it's like... Never. That's crazy learning to trade NQ with minis. Okay, I don't like it. It was always just one. It was like, okay, I just trade with 1 mini and then I just make it work from there. Because I never really went for big ranges. And then when I started going for big ranges, I just had like 30-point stops and like 30-point take.
Kind of like traded after Pat too, and he was trading like 1 mini at that time.
Yeah, then what? I lost 3 trades on. Oh yeah, and here are my trades from Tuesday. It's like, okay, I took this short here. It got stopped out. Oh, let me undo that. Shocking. We push lower. I got stopped out barely. Oh, what do we do here? I take a short here. Oh, I got stopped out. Oh, I lost all 3 of these trades. In a downtrend, literally picking the top, but just getting wicked out. It's like, literally the past... Or I don't know about my 1 loss on Wednesday, but regardless of that one, the 2 losses today, the 2 losses Friday, and the 3 losses on Tuesday. It's like those are all winners if I just take the trade and have my stop at the swing high and actually do a real stop, which I was doing, and we were getting wrecked for those 2 months, but then the market switches back to not being choppy. But I don't think I was as good with my entries as I am now, which I think I have improved on. But it's just 7 trades. Those 7 trades, I've lost 30, 60, 90 points on those 7 trades. Even if I just didn't lose those, that's 90 more points that I have. And if I won those, it's fucking 180 points that I had, assuming that they're 1-to-1s, which they were. Like... Shocking. Like, it's just... You said it's like I did everything. I took every trade that I needed to take. What's the problem with micros, bro? I just have never traded them. I guess nothing's wrong. I just always put a big deal on it, but it's like if I can risk, like, because I want to be able to take multiple trades a day. Because also sometimes I am obviously I'm gonna be wrong and it's gonna reverse and then it's gonna be a good setup. A lot like today, it's like, here we go. I was thinking about getting long here. Like if we. Shocking. Like even now, it's like I would want to get short here, put a fucking stop up here, and fucking ride this bitch back down to the bottom. Like I could do that if I fucking traded 1 micro. What is 1 micro? It's $2 a tick, so that'd be 160. Yeah, wait. But yeah, like, because here, it's like I would have took this long if we got back above here. We didn't. Because I thought we were going to go long. So it's not like I'm never wrong, but I just want to be able to take multiple trades just in, like, it's like, well, if I did take this trade and lost, I could have made it back here. Then we have another trade here, depending on what fucking happens. Ugh, man, I just bounce back and forth between fucking scalping and longer trades and scalping and longer trades because when I'm trying to go for longer trades, we're choppy. When I'm trying to go for scalps, we're so fucking we're so high volume and pumping and bullshit and hitting targets and oh, fuck. Size down in your 1-to-1. It's like I guarantee I probably took the fucking same trades as Pat today, and he makes money. Like it's the same bullshit every day. I've been saying this for a year. I'm like, oh, so surprise, surprise! I took the same trades. I just lost, and he won because I don't want to lose that much, but I trade minis. It's like what if I trade micros here? What's a 33-point stop? Assuming I got it like I got it like right here. 33-point stop is, if I wanted to risk $200, what would that be? How many micros would I use? The chart is too deceiving, but like I'm picking it right on the one, and I'm also looking at like I'm flipping back and forth between like the 5-minute and the 15. That's what I'm saying. I'm like I was long, but I'm looking at the chart. I'm like, well, the 15 looks bearish, the 5 looks bearish. Like these things happen. Like I'm not afraid to lose. I just lose when I'm right. That's the issue. I can be wrong and lose. I don't care. It's just I constantly just lose when I'm right. Like even this looks like a nice fucking 5-minute bear flag. Like we're gonna fucking dump to these lows here. Even if I didn't want to get in on this fucking push down, which I would have, it's like, now I'd definitely be getting in on this push down if we came back down to it. Because we look good here. On this 5-minute, on this 15-minute, on this 30-minute, on this hourly. This 4-hour. Like I almost want to take this in my fucking cash account. I might take this in my cash account. And that's a lot of the times what happens. I trade during the day. I'll lose my 2 trades, and then I take another trade because I don't, or like I'll lose my 1 trade because I put on like 1 trade of. I'll lose it, and then I just make it back in my cash account. But that doesn't do anything for my prop accounts, which what really matters because you can make fucking 20 times the money. Do you only trade prop firm, or do you also trade my own capital? I trade my own capital sometimes, but like I have a cash account with like 10K in it, but I don't take it as seriously as my prop accounts, which people probably think is backwards, but man, like here, I'm in with my cash account right now. Like this is what I used to do. I take a trade like this, and then I go for like the closest thing after a 1-to-1. So it's like I'm risking 36 points. The low here is only 27, so I have to go for the next target. The next target is this pivot point down here. So then I go for that, and that's 76 points. So let's see what happens. Maybe go break even once we trap below these lows for a little bit of intuition. ES falling lower. Nvidia pushing lower. Market looks like it wants to continue lower on the, what is this, the 5-minute, 15. Looks like we could potentially, I don't know if we're going to make a third wick down here. But who knows? Fuck. What? I don't know. If I just trade micros, what is 30 points on micro? The dude I'm watching on the side called the 250 top, by the way, just how, man? Huh? The 250 top? I don't know. Well, we swept this. I mean, that was one of my targets for the upside. I don't know how he knew it was going to bounce there, but, I mean, support resistance, something. We're in this fucking... We're in this range here. I don't know. Yeah, there's a level of interest there, yeah. I mean, it's definitely a level of interest. That's like one of your levels of liquidity. Liquidity. One way I handle drawdown is trading my accounts one by one instead of copy trading until I get the confidence back so I don't lose more, if any. I'm not going to trade fucking 20 accounts one at a time. That's crazy. It's a confidence thing, but it's not a confidence thing in my ability that I think it's broken. I just know, like, I'm not like, oh my god, the market's so unpredictable and I can't make a right decision in this. It's like I'm just right, but I'm losing. It's like, so obviously my confidence is going to be lower because of that, but like, I'm right in these. Uh-oh, not going to be right in this one. I'm going reverse. Reverse, reverse. Didn't want to break that low. We were trying. Oh yeah, I'm going to get stopped out right here. Shucks. Mondays, I don't know. Yes, this has just turned into every day. Ugh, man.
Oh God.
Just go through the same bullshit. Fuck, man. I don't know. Yes, it's not like I have everything I need. I think it's like I don't need some guy to tell me when to get long or when to get short. I don't need like any areas of interest. I don't need.
Oh my God.
just the way he does it. And I'm trying to replicate that, but also my own collected, or also my own way, kind of. Always common collected like a pro. Like, yeah, I mean, like, obviously, like, I get upset and stuff, but I'm normally relatively calm and shit. Like, just need to put your ego aside and trade micros. I don't know if it's ego or if it's just like comfort. Like, I hate the idea of having to like switch between different size micros while you're also trying to enter a trade. Like, be like, oh yeah, how big's my stop gonna be? Okay, I need to this many micros, and then change it, and then be like, oh, hopefully make sure my copy trader copies them all, and that like, I've just done minis for so long. It's just the comfort, but unfortunately, I think micros might be the play, and then just risk $200, just like I kind of want to, $200 to $300, maybe like either depending if I want to take like 2 trades or 3 trades. Like depending on how big the stop is. It's like here, it's like okay, my stop would have been like 33 points, which is like 3 micros. Would be, yeah, it's like 133 trades, so like that'd be right around 200. So if it's like just over, if it's like 30, if it's like 30 points or just over 30 points, it's like 3 micros, and if it's like 25 points or a little under 30 points, it can be 4 micros.
Oh my god.
Just relearn. Yeah, I got you. There we go. You know, FF's struggling per usual. I don't know. I look forward to trading until I trade. That's the issue. I hope something will change, and then I go in, and then I just get shat on, and then I realize that I fucking hate it. Fuck, man. For reference, I took 2 shorts here. I took a short here and lost, and a short here and lost. Ugh. So there's 2 options. Market died right where you entered. Yeah. Shocking. That's the thing. I mean, if I entered here, I don't know. I mean, there's no way I'd be going for anything further than this anyways. or whatever. You push up, downwards, sideways. Oh, fuck, man. So it's either trade one mini, be okay risking $900 or 90 points, which would be $1,800. Be like, okay, I can lose $1,800 in a day, which is basically your whole drawdown. If I still want to trade one mini, or if I still want to be able to take like 3 trades, and I only want to risk 600 still, then I step it down to like 3 or 4 micros. How does that make sense with Apex? What? How does what make sense? The minis as you just described, 30% consistent, it would help you get away from the buffer. Like, you could still get to the buffer quickly. I mean, that's not to say I'm going to make fucking $1,800 a day or whatever. It's just giving me the ability to lose $1,800 and make, like, because some days I take one trade and then that's all I see, I'm okay. But some days I see multiple trades and I want to take multiple trades, but sometimes I lose. And like today, it's like, I wanted to get in here, I got in, and then I wanted to get in again, and I got in. So I want to be able to lose a couple times. But also, it gives you the chance to get big payouts, like some of the people, and you can actually grow the account and get away from the buffer. You know what I mean? Yeah, 15 minutes is disgusting. These wicks are criminal. Still looks like we go lower at some point, but we'll see. At least you've managed to avoid tilting. Yeah, I don't go on tilt. I have enough emotional control to not do dumb shit. It's just my fundamentals. There's something wrong with my fundamentals. But, yeah, I don't know where Raven is, honestly. I don't even know if she's still trading these days, honestly.
Raven?
Yeah.
She comes in every once in a while for like a second.
Yeah. But I also didn't stream like at all last week, so I don't know, she might not know. Normally she's more consistent when I stream every day, but when I'm not, sometimes she doesn't come. But I think I'm gonna call it here. Figure out what the fuck to do. I don't know. Clearly, I still have figuring out to do because I can't win a trade to save my life. Or I can. I don't know. I do. I mean, I only lost 10 points in total last week, but losing 30 points in back-to-back days after being right on all 5 trades or all 4 trades you took does not feel that great. So clearly, I have some still some risk management that I don't know how to figure it out. But she's a woman. She quit. Yeah, you're right. Damn. Damn women. But I'm gonna call it here. This is gonna dump after I already got stopped out of my cash account. So mark my words, we're going down to the 25,000s most likely. God, this 15-minute does look fucking deadly, but I'd be willing to bet we make it at least down to the 25,000s at some point. But who knows? Who knows? But I'll be on tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. I'm so down bad. I don't care. Peace out.